It is Driver Appreciation Week, one of the most important weeks here at Melton Truck Lines. We celebrate the hard work and dedication that each of our drivers give. They have dedicated their lives to keeping our country moving forward, one load at a time.
Whether you're over the road, regional, or dedicated, we thank you.
Thank you for your commitment to safety and for delivering not only safe, but on time.
We thank you for being dependable and trustworthy.
On behalf of your Melton family, we thank you.
Thank you for what you do each day to keep us moving forward.
Let's be safe and move some freight.
Let's be safe out there and let's move some freight.
Be safe and let's move freight.
So be safe and let's move some freight.